Hopefully you can see it, but welcome
Yes, welcome.
to Niagara Falls. Amazing, absolutely amazing.
Waited to come here for a long time.
Yeah, we have.
We thought on this trip we've got to do it.
Yeah, and then tomorrow we've got we're going on the Maid of the Mist boat trip. Yeah, and then we're going to go over to Canada for the evening because you can walk over the border,
Yeah.
which is on the other side.
Canada. We can take the car over, but we want to walk.
We're going to walk over the Rainbow Bridge, aren't we?
Yeah.
Into Canada. But check this out, man. So we've not crossed into Canada yet, have we?
No.
But we've picked ourselves up a Canadian beer.
Yeah.
And they're waiting for this band to start again.
It was playing, they stopped.
Yeah, they were playing Margaritaville. And then they've stopped for a break. So we'll sit here and have a sip of this beer. And then see if the band comes on again.
Looking back in the years gone by like so many summer days. 65 I was set, well I don't know why I came here tonight. I'm feeling something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. And I'm wondering if I keep down the stairs. Out to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you.
So I think while we're just sitting having this beer, I think we'll probably share. I think this side, the US side of Niagara, seems a little bit underwhelming, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
Not what we expected.
what we expected.
Unless there's more stuff further down.
Yeah, it's just, there's like the hotel just down the road that's just all boarded up and run down. It just seems very underrated.
Apparently the Canada side is really good.
Yeah, so we'll compare this side to the Canadian side. But at the moment, I mean, it's alright, don't get me wrong.
It's not very busy either.
The falls are absolutely beautiful, aren't they? And just
The colour of the water's
like,
amazing.
yeah, just amazing to see. But the actual
I can't believe we're here.
town Niagara it seems a little bit underwhelming. What we're going to try and do now is go across into Canada.
How cool will that be?
Wish us luck. Wow. Look at that. This is absolutely bonkers. So we've just gone through the turnstiles and we're crossing over the Rainbow Bridge
Into Canada?
into Canada
This is crackers.
on foot.
Oh man. Look at them, you can see the falls.
No, look at that for a view. Oh my life. Wow. Cool.
It's really cool, but I don't like heights. Hope they let us back in.
Welcome to Canada.
I'm just saying, I hope they let us back in.
Welcome to Canada.
Yeah?
Oh my life. Oh, that's crazy.
We just sat there, didn't we? And said, should we go?
Yeah.
And it's $1 to go get back in. I just really hope they let us back in.
Oh, of course we will. How about that?
We're in Canada.
We just walked, not just walked across, obviously I had to go through border control services, but we're in Canada.
That's mad.
We are on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls.
Oh, look at it.
Crazy, look at this.
We need to get down there.
So, USA and Canada.
We were over there a minute ago.
I know.
Walked across that bridge.
Across the Rainbow Bridge. Oh man, this just feels surreal,
Great
doesn't it?
feeling.
Unbelievable.
Just mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's mad, isn't it? That is what over there should
know.
be like.
So you've seen a bit of the USA side of Niagara Falls, and now we're on the Canadian side.
Wow. It's completely different.
Completely different.
Yeah.
Look at that. Absolute stark contrast.
Wow.
Unbelievable difference, isn't it?
Reminds me of Gatlinburg.
Yeah, it does a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Look. Unbelievable.
A whole lot more. It's a crazy adventure for kids.
Even got a big wheel this side, look.
Every day is Halloween.
Especially in that.
This is absolutely bonkers. Isn't it?
It's so different.
Sorry, the sun's right in my
so
eyes.
different to the American side. Isn't it?
Really is, isn't it? Yeah. You can see why this is the busier side, because there'd be so much more to do for kids and families over this side. Amazing, isn't it?
It is. It's really good over here.
What a difference.
It reminds me of Gatlinburg down in Tennessee.
Or Blackpool back in the UK. In fact, this is probably better than Blackpool back in the
Yeah,
UK.
probably. Look at these.
Ripley's
Oh,
roller coaster up there as well. Where's it gone?
no.
Be back round, there it is.
Oh.
Got none of this on the US side.
No, not at all.
None of it at all.
No.
Oh guys, check out the sweets in here, man.
Oh,
Look at the candy apples. Oh,
toffee apples. You're English.
well, it's called a candy apple here. Caramel apple. Chocolate dipped marshmallows. Oh, I could eat so much of it.
All that.
So nice.
That's not bad. £8.49 for a slice.
No,
What's that?
chocolate
For a
peanut
slice.
butter. Bailey's Irish cream there, look. What else is over here? Oh, look. Canadian maple there. Wow. I feel fat already. And I've not had anything yet. Look at that. Chocolate dipped cheesecake as well. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
So nice. So nice.
My phone's gonna die.
This is just one hell of an amazing view. Niagara Falls from the Canadian side. Beautiful. It's going to head back over to the US now. Providing we get back through the border. That's not a joke. Then we'll tell you about the process, which was straightforward, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
But we're going to come back over again and do a proper explore. But that was amazing this evening. Absolutely amazing. Enjoy that?
I did, really did.
Yeah. So we just got the free trolley bus this morning, save paying another $30 to park. Well, I think it's 20 today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's not the holidays. And there we go. That's the bus we just got off.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And the driver was amazing, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Gave us loads of info.
So we're going to go over to, we're going to go have a visit to Goat Island, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to
start
walk
with.
over.
Yeah.
We've got a few hours to kill.
Yeah, a few hours to kill before we go on our trip
Yeah.
that we've got planned for today.
This is...
Sun shining, it's right
sorry.
behind us, it's probably in the camera. So if we go in the shade then.
The driver's just said this is the first place that's like making buffalo wings, the original.
Oh yeah, Anchor Bar, the original buffalo wing. Cool.
May
Might
have to call
try
it.
that.
Great vibes.
Right, we're gonna have a wander down to Goat Island.
Need to get some steps in after what we've eaten.
We've not been too bad. I
Oh, look at this chair.
had waffles
Shall I get in it?
waffles for breakfast and a bowl of cereal, which was nice. It's one of them chairs that you don't get out of, isn't it?
Oh, I don't think I will.
Yeah, it's like I said, we're having a wander over to Goat Island, see what views we can get from this side. So it's already looking pretty awesome,
That water is just crazy looking.
isn't it? Look at that. I'll show you in a minute when we get to the middle of the bridge.
Definitely no ducks down there.
No. Good if you want a whitewater raft, but then you're off the end.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? I don't know if you're going to hear me over the camera, but that's just something else. Wow. You can see the mist from the other fall. And I think maybe, oh yeah. They know exactly where they're going, don't they? I think we'll go over that bridge as well. So I think we found out whatever that was, it just hit me in the fucking ear hole. You can probably catch that on camera. Yesterday we were talking about this to somebody when we was having that pizza, and she was saying that because this side of Niagara is a state park,
Yes.
that's probably why there's not so much like what you've got on the Canada side with all the amusements and things like that, because it's a state park on this side. So I think that's probably the reason why it seems a little bit low key. That's probably the word I was looking for yesterday.
Yeah. Makes sense though, doesn't it?
It does make sense.
Yeah. Keep it nice.
Yeah, but some of
Traditional,
it
rather
does.
than have it like, because too many of these places do get a bit commercialised.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, big word for me.
It was a big word for you, Anna, wasn't it? So I guess then you're going to get the experience of the state park on the US side, and then if you want all the attractions and the all the fun stuff, then you go over to the Canada side.
Right, so
So these are the falls that come from the Canadian side. Look at the summer daytime flow of water. 675,000 gallons a second.
a second. That is.
How about that for closeness? That is an absolutely stunning view, and I hope that rainbow picks up on this camera. That's the mist coming in now, the spray. See it on the camera lens. Whee! I think we've just got a little bit wet there, didn't we?
Just a bit.
Just the spray just suddenly picked up.
Everyone just ran.
Yeah. So obviously there's everything you'd expect here. There's cafes, ice cream places, gift shops, cafe, like I just said, Scoopy, ice cream place. There's other tours as well that you can take that you have to pay for. Cave of the Winds. Yeah, so there's plenty to do on this side in terms of tourist sort of attractions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's plenty to see as well. We were saying back in the UK, you'd have to pay to get into here, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you probably would.
Whereas here you can just walk down, you can just sit and
chill. Yeah, it's good. Right, keep exploring.
Yeah, let's keep going. Yeah.
I've taken so much footage of these falls. Everywhere has got some spectacular views, haven't they?
Oh, it's
everywhere.
Everywhere you look.
But I think this side here has got to be some of the ones over here on Goat Island have got to be some of the better views. So apologies, but I couldn't choose which ones to cut out and which ones to put in. So I think I'm just gonna put them all in.
I think so.
And then just let you enjoy the spectacular. There's the Niagara Falls. So hope you enjoy. How much you gonna say? Whoa!